Welcome to 100 Must-Read Books for HKDSE. Today, we are going to talk about Around the World in 80 Days by Jules Verne. Enjoy! In Jules Verne's classic adventure novel, Around the World in 80 Days, we meet Phileas Fogg, a wealthy and meticulously punctual English gentleman living in London. A member of the prestigious Reform Club, Fogg wagers £20,000 that he can circumnavigate the globe in just 80 days, inspired by modern transportation advances. His friends accept the bet, and Fogg hires a lively French valet, Jean Passepartout, to join him on this bold quest. On October 2, 1872, Fogg and Passepartout depart London. Heading to Suez, bad weather causes delays, testing their tight schedule. Meanwhile, Detective Fix, convinced Fogg is a bank robber, begins tailing them. Fix's pursuit adds a layer of suspense as he schemes to slow Fogg's progress. In India, Fogg and Passepartout heroically rescue Oda, a young woman, from a forced sati ritual. Oda joins their journey, grateful and loyal. In Hong Kong, Fix tries to sabotage them by having Passepartout arrested, but they escape. In Japan, they battle a typhoon, yet Fogg's unwavering focus keeps them on track. From Yokohama, they sail across the Pacific on the General Grant to San Francisco. In America, they board a transcontinental railroad, but a Native American attack on the train threatens their progress. Fogg's quick thinking saves the day. Fix, still in pursuit, joins them, mistakenly believing he's closing in on his suspect. Racing from New York to Liverpool, then London, they fear they've missed the deadline. But a clever twist they gained a day crossing the international date line eastward reveals they've arrived early on December 21st. Fogg wins the bet, clears his name, marries Oda, and celebrates with Passepartout. Around the World in 80 Days celebrates adventure, punctuality, and the transformative power of technology. Verne's vision of global travel captivated readers, inspiring countless adaptations, from films to stage plays. This timeless tale continues to ignite wanderlust and the thrill of exploration. For me, Jules Verne's Around the World in 80 Days is still fascinating really because it is asking us to challenge ourselves to our limitation, in spite of all other factors, especially in our AI era. I hope you enjoy this book like I do. Thank you for watching.